Guys, I will show you how to use and play Pokemon TC Pocket easy and quick. So how to use it and play it. So first you have to create an account. If you don't know how to, I will later link in description. It will take you to how to create an account. If you have already have an account and you want to know how to use and play on Pokemon Pocket. So what you need to do, guys, is to open your Pokemon Pocket. So here it will open directly here on your home page. So as you can see, if you click here on these three line, you can find some options like shop option, item, new, gift, and settings. If you click on others, you can find here settings, or if you want to see your account, your privacy. In your setting, you can manage many things here. So when you're back, here you can also data sharing if you want to share your data. And right now, if you back here, you will find this. From here it's the home page, and also you can pick your cards. From here you can find your cards that you have. If you click here, for example, the card that I have, yeah. And here you can find your, if you want a social hub, community showcase, or if you want to trade, or if you want to talk with your friends inside the game. Also here it's like it because I have to reach the level 3, and as you see, the game is very useful. You can play and everything. And guys, if you have any question, you can write it down in comments. I will reply. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.